The child's basic knowledge of math is not solid, and they always make mistakes with multi-digit addition. Give a thumbs up, and I'll teach you a different way of thinking. Adding 12, 34, 23, 41, 34, 12, and 4123 is too difficult to calculate. Is there any method for this? Let's first find a pattern together and convert the horizontal equation into a vertical one. What are the advantages of converting the horizontal equation into a vertical one? The digits are aligned with the units, tens, hundreds, and thousands all lined up. Next, let's find a pattern and summarize it. In the units place, it's 4123. In the tens, hundreds, and thousands places, the four numbers are all 1234. Think about it. They all need to be added together eventually, with units added to units, and tens added to tens. So, if the teacher swaps the digits in the units place, like switching 4 and 1, the sum of the numbers in the units place doesn't change. By the same logic, if the digits in the units, tens, hundreds, and thousands places are swapped, the final result is unaffected since they all need to be added together anyway. So, we have a new idea. We move all the ones to the first position, all the twos to the second position, all the threes to the third position, and all the fours to the bottom. Therefore, we elevate all the ones, swapping their positions, and the first number becomes 1111, the second number becomes 2222, the third number 3333, and the fourth number 4444. Then add them together. Observe again, there's no difference from before, because they all have 1234 in the units, tens, hundreds, and thousands places, so the result is definitely the same. So you understand, originally, when they are added together, through the idea of swapping positions, it becomes the sum of these four numbers. It can also be calculated in a simplified way. 11 plus 22 plus 23 plus 4445. These numbers are called stacked numbers. How did 2222 come about? We multiply 1111 by 2. And for that one, 1111 multiplied by 3. 1111 multiplied by 4. And the first number, 1111, multiplied by 1. So these four numbers can also be understood as how many 1111s there are. There's 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and 4 here, adding up to 10. 10 1111s. Isn't that just adding a 0 to the end of 1111? Simplified calculation? Isn't this way of thinking quite fascinating? If you understand, give it a follow.